Hello guys, hi, this is Sad Makram. Hope you're doing good. Let's get started as we are covering the Excel series. So we are covering this session as like Excel interfaces. So let's see, this is how we could see this is how the screen looks like. So this is a black workbook. Let's see how this is how overall interface looks in Excel sheets, and let's see what we can do over here is like let's see what is the things have. There's a quick link access. We could able to see this all. This is completely, you could see, is quick link access over here. If I click, let me click on this. This is custom access toolbar. We will be talking further on that. And this is a saving shortcut for F12, and this is like proofing or spelling, like spelling ABC, thresher and workbook. This is A to A ascending order, cannot be applied because there are no cells. And this is redo, this is undo, and you can see the saving option control S over here. And let's see what we have furthermore. And down towards it you could able to see, let's click on this, and this is what ribbon is. This is completely is ribbon. This complete till here you could able to see, this completely is ribbon guys. This completely is ribbon. This complete is completely a ribbon. You could able to see. Let's do it till done. This completely is ribbon as we know about it. Let's click on things what we have in this. We have home screen, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and help, so on. So coming towards the home screen, this is all ribbon what I said completely. In the home session we could see that different types of font session, clipboard, we have alignment, numbers, styles, cells and editing, and we will be coming on this all the things step by step. This is just the interface section of Excel. In the insert section we have the pivot table sections, we have add-ons, charts, we have spark lines, filters, links. In the page layout section we have themes, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options and arrange. And we're covering the formulas to and each and everything, and this is how the formulas library and functions looks like. Define names, formula editing, calculations. This is what the data looks like. This is for like from text or CSV file importing from web or from getting and transforming data. This is like queries and connection, sorting and filtering, data tools, forecast and outline. This is a review section where you could check spelling miss, and this is proving like spelling, thresher, workbook statistic, inside looking inside language translation, comments and protects and so on, protection of the sheets. This is the view, normal view, page view or workbook view, what you want to like or how you want to like. This is show, this is zoom in and zoom out, this is windows, and if you want any help you can click on this help and so on. This is how the ribbon sections looks like completely. This completely is ribbon section as I said here. This completely is ribbon section as we discussed, and let's see what we have next. Down towards it's we could able to see this is a formula bar overall completely, and you could see this is the name of the formula bar, A1 or something. Could see over here. If I click on this, this is what A1 is showing. If I click on B, it's B1, the name of the column usually, and this is what a formula bar usually look like. And we need if we enter any formula over here, it will be getting typed automatically. And and you could see over here in the view, like we have formula bar, heading, and show. We have all over the things. If I do unclick over here, and we could see the formula bar has been disappeared. And again, if I click on formula bar, the formula bar will be appeared, and this is what headings. If I click on this, heading will be gone, and if I click on this, headings will be there. Grid lines, this is what grid lines will be. You will be seeing the page completely blank if you use this and uncheck this, and if you need to do click on this, and you will be getting the grid lines over on the page. And we're coming towards one more thing, and if you go on to the insert, click on insert, if you double click it, see what happens. Ribbon is gone, the complete ribbon session is gone. And if I double click on the same, and you will be getting the ribbon now. So you guys double click it, and now you got the ribbon completely. So that's it, guys. And the series, Excel series or Excel, what I am covering is right now, the version right now is a 2019 version. And the session, what topics I am explaining, each and everything will be working on 2010, 13, 16, 19, and 365. There is no issue on the software, like software version. And surely this is how the overall interface looks like. So just you need to do one thing, is like you need to go to ribbons. You can click on home, insert, page, layout, formulas, data, review, and help, and views. And you can do what I have shown you, like formula bars. You can check it, and you can do uncheck it, and you can go to insert, and you can double click, and you can disappear the ribbon if you want, and then you can bring it back, and you can do so on. You can just go through the ribbon section and interface of the Excel, what I have shown to you, and click on things, and do little bit self workout, so that you can perfect in that, or you can get practical knowledge on the Excel. So coming towards this, this is the end of the session, and the next series, the next you will be getting on customizing the Excel quick access toolbar. So let's see how we will doing customizing the Excel quick access toolbar in the next session. And that's it, guys, for this topic. And I hope you got the interface of the Excel, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me on the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.